Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to save image with a transparent background in Photoshop CC. So first things first, we're going to launch the Photoshop software, and the image we want to be saving without a background as a transparent image. We just drag and drop it in Photoshop CC as a new document. So you copy this over here, then it comes over, and the lock over here, we just tap it to, then it turns into a new layer. Now we'll come over to the selection tool. We're going to select any of the tool, the selection tool. I'm going to pick magic wand tool, and I'll select this. I'll press delete on my keyboard. So there we have it. Now to save, go over to file, save as, saving on our computer. Okay, now we're gonna name this image 3. Now we'll save this as a PNG file because it doesn't have a background. Save, okay. So now we just save this, and this is it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing if you're new to our channel. Like this video, comment down below if you have any questions, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's caught in the crossfire.